Welcome to Pennington Hardwoods. We are a family business specializing in high-quality hardwood flooring, carefully crafted one order at a time. Our enduring goal is to satisfy the most discerning and creative of customers. We're proud to have earned the praise of our customers across the U.S. and abroad since our founding in 1992. Our premium lumber, precision milling, and unique custom capabilities are ideal for those who want far better than ordinary. We provide expert guidance, the friendly service of a family business, and beautiful handcrafted hardwood flooring. We run a lean operation reliant on our merits rather than paid advertising, and earn our work largely from returning customers and referrals. Your purchase from Pennington Hardwoods is an investment in a better floor, not marketing or broad corporate dividends. You will work directly with a principal member of our business with decades of experience and a dedication to helping each customer personally. We take pride in providing a level of care that we ourselves would wish to receive. We are delighted to work with you remotely or in person. Showroom visits, consultation meetings, and plant tours are available by appointment. Contact us for requirements, scheduling, and accommodations information. Your new hardwood floor will set the stage for your home as the foundation of your design goals. They represent your style and quality standards, and how you feel about them will always remain with you. A quality hardwood floor is also expected to last the life of the home and deserving of special consideration. Your selection of who to trust with bringing your ideas to reality is an important decision. Done well, you will greatly enhance your home's appeal, increase its value, and ensure your satisfaction. Searching through many product collections can become tiresome and confusing and result in nothing that feels quite right. Our unique approach is to learn your exact preferences and provide a quality solution made specifically for you. This is a more efficient use of your time. It will be precisely what you want, and you can be confident in a decision well made. The vast majority of all hardwood flooring is mass-produced, often overseas to utilize the cheapest labor. Also common is the use of low-quality lumber milled into flooring at a blinding pace and stored for months in varied climates. These entry-point products are the basis of what forms industry standards. This minimum falls short of what many quality-conscious consumers would hope for. Demand for our higher quality and custom options grows steadily as more learn of our wonderful alternatives to the ordinary and mass-produced. Our Northern Appalachian hardwoods grow slower, have greater density, better stability, color consistency, a higher value, and better finishing characteristics. From the best lumber, finely graded, our flooring is crafted one order at a time with diamond tooling, at roughly 1/10 the speed of what is mass-produced. We provide unsurpassed precision milling and far more attention to detail at a lesser cost than most people suspect. Receive a free consultation and a free no-obligation quote. We'll produce custom samples for your approval and create your beautiful hardwood flooring within 4 to 6 weeks for most orders. Our Google reviews make evident that we love what we do, and you will too. Contact us today to get started.